Hey guys, welcome. This is Jeevan from Code Android. In this tutorial, we shall see how to make my profile application. Okay, let us begin. Start new Android Studio project, select empty activity, and name the application as my profile and give finish. Now we shall add two menu items for this application. Go to app, right click, new Android resource file, and select menu and name it as bottom menu. Click OK. Now go to resources, click new and select image asset and action bar and tab icons and search for perm identity. Click OK and give the name as profile. Let it be hollow dark. Click next, give finish. We need one more menu item for our project. So go to resources, new image asset and search for assessment. Okay, and name it as project. Click next, finish. Go to and type item and set the title as profile and icon at drawable profile and, click alt enter on F. Click always. Then we have created one more menu item that is for project item. Copy the same things. Instead of profile, give it as project and here also project and here also. And you can see the changes here. Now go to the Gradle scripts and build Gradle and add the dependency and give sync now. And this is the dependency added to get the bottom navigation menu. And this is the Android X package, not Android. You shouldn't make a note of it. Okay. Then go to main.xml, remove it, and make the constraint layout as relative layout, and take the bottom navigation, and width be match parent, and height be 60 dp, and let the background color be and take the bottom menu, click on it, menu equals to add, menu equals to Android menu, add dot item text color, let that be, then app is equal to item icon tint, and white, and layout alignment, and take bottom, then give the ID for the bottom navigation view, it is ID is equal to ID bottom view. Now go to the design. This is how a bottom navigation view looks like, and go to layouts in palette session and add frame layout, and go to text and layout. And this is the ID which you have given for the bottom navigation view. Go to layout, alignment left, select parent, and give the ID for the layout as main frame. And this is all about this part, and we have successfully designed our bottom navigation view. Thank you, and we shall meet in the next part.